Assalamu alaikum beautifuls, how are you today? Do let me know in the comment section that how are you doing today. So today we're going to talk about blush. I don't have any blush right now, so I'm going to let you know that why are blushes important. Sometimes अगर आपकी skin अच्छी है ना, it's not, if you don't have a textured skin, textured मतलब अगर आपके दाने नहीं हैं, कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा खड्डे नहीं हैं, if you have a good skin, trust me, blush is something that works best on everyday natural makeup look. Foundation mat lagaye, just apply a little concealer or corrector and then blush and you're good to go. By the way, I do have a complete makeup on and only the blush is left, so I thought why not share with you guys a good blush palette.
मिसरोज की इस पैलेट में आपको 6 कलर्स मिलते हैं और ये हैं इनके स्वॉचेस। बहुत ही नेचुरल कलर्स हैं, आपकी हर स्किन टोन में आपको सूट हो सकते हैं। चाहे आपकी स्किन टोन डार्क है या लाइट है, इट इज़ डेफिनेटली सूटेबल एंड अफोर्डेबल पैलेट।
How to apply that? So I hope every one of you knows, but there is some good tips and tricks that let you look your blush even more better. So acha, there is not only this powdered kind of blush, there are cream blushes. I have a complete video on it. It's amazing. Tinted ones, seriously, these are so much in fashion. Ye liquidy water hote hain. Let me just show you. I'm not gonna apply. See if you can see, these are very, they look very natural. And this is a rosy kind of red. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा tinted है, ठीक है। आप जब blend out करते हैं ना तो ये easily blend हो जाते हैं. By the way, they give you a good natural. And then there are stick three tone blushes हैं ये. I do have a complete video on it. You can definitely check them out. बहुत ही मजे के blushes हैं. If I swatch, इतने natural looking हैं. They do. I literally want to swatch it for you guys, but ये उतने पागलों की तरह pigmented नहीं हैं. They look so natural on your face. That's the real beauty of it. I mean, seriously, हम नहीं everyday Instagram look makeup कर सकते because that's not our shimmery ones. ठीक है ना? It has a shimmer and light blush. This is perfect for winter. Cream blushes. That was a liquid blush. This is a cream blush. इसमें cream होती है. I'm gonna make a video on it. This CC cream as well. ठीक है? ये है जी cream blush. ठीक है? And this is liquid. ये देखिए. This is liquid. It's runny. They are almost finished ones and there are dark ones. ये पीची है और ये थोड़ा मेरूनिश है. Don't use these ones. ठीक है ना? ये बड़ा क्यूट लगता है. I mean, seriously, I can't resist myself. So anyhow, cute. Now let's discuss brushes. ठीक है? This is a commonly brush you must have for blush on. By the way, this is a powder brush. This is not a blush on brush. This is a blush on brush जो थोड़ा सा angled होता है. ठीक है ना? And this is a unicorn printed brush. And locally brush है. It's not a branded one. No, it's not a branded one, but I'm just gonna let you know the angle of the it's kind of this, or you just go like this strokes. Now come to the main blush palette I want to discuss. Let's take it out. बड़ी ही खूबसूरत पैकेजिंग है, हार्ड है, ऊपर से कार्डबोर्ड, and there is a plastic. One bad thing, there is no mirror, so there are, as you can see, ये color as a bronzer के तौर पे भी यूज हो सकता है. This is more coral peachy kind of color and इसमें सिर्फ दो shimmery हैं, these two. एक pink में आता है और एक थोड़ा mauvish purple के tone में आता है. I'm gonna use this today because it goes with my makeup. So what you do, you take a nice amount of, and आपने अपनी जो आपकी ये natural एक contouring line है ना, I haven't done any contouring, but और अब आपने बस इसके ऊपर से दिस इज द वन वे ऑफ अप्लाइंग. अच्छा, ये क्या करता है आपकी फेस को स्नैच कर देता है, ठीक है. बट इफ यू वांट मोर काइंड ऑफ प्लम लुक, आपको अपना चेहरा बहुत पतला नहीं करना, थोड़ा प्लम करना है, तो व्हाट यू डू, टेक अ सेम ब्लश. बाय द वे, इट्स सो क्यूट, देयर आर डोनट्स ओवर देयर, सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ ग्लेजिंग योर फेस. सो व्हाट यू डू, अपने नोज की ये देखिए ना, ये लाइन, स्माइल लाइन, यहाँ से ब्लश शुरू करना है एंड यू स्वीप अप, ऊपर से नीचे आना है एंड देन यू स्वीप अप. So can you, so this side is more snatched one and on this side it's more plumped one. Plus if you want to contour, take the darker color and just slightly go over and contour your face, even on this side as well. ठीक है ना, contouring तो हो जाएगी आपकी, लेकिन you will have that plum cheek kind of effect. So this is a cute palette. I totally recommend this, that you should buy it if you want to. And this is an amazing palette that can be used as a bronzer, contour and blush as well. A good natural look. So this is a complete video. Hope you like it, and if you like, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected for more of these interesting videos, and thanks for watching, guys.